Great news for Samsung users. As of today, Samsung have made the Good Lock app available to all countries. Before now, to get the Good Lock app, you have to use VPN, clear the data, and do a lot of tweaking before you can install and start customizing your device. If you don't know what the Good Lock app is, it's an app that was initially made available to only US citizens to help them customize their navigation, their homepage, like anything. You can customize anything on your device. So let me teach you how to go into it. Once you log into your Galaxy store, this is a Nigerian account. You can see the interface is different. Then you go to apps. Once you go to apps, you see Good Luck under the recommended app automatically. Before now, when you search the app, you'll be seeing a lot of junk and useless recommendations. So once you can see, you can tap on the app to view the description. You see it's refresh UI. You can view app update history and everything. You can even customize your volume button. And I've been using this on my S24 Ultra that was US configured. So the next thing you have to do is to just install it. And after you install, so you give it some time to install. This is actually good news. This is actually good news. You can customize your device. I will just open it for the sake of clarity to show you, say, Good Luck Galaxy your way. So you agree and continue. And then what you just need to do is install this theme pack. Yeah, so this is just to create your themes. This is to customize your lock screen. This is to edit your keys. I have installed this. So what I'm going to do is I'll just update them. So and when you scroll down, you can also see some new features. I see this Galaxy to share, which is new. I think you can share your settings. I think from what they explained, they just maybe you said configured your Wonderland, your quick start, everything. I want to share the settings to a different user. From there, you can just transfer it to the person. So once the person click on it, you don't need to do or customize anything. You just install the customization. So it's a very cool feature. You can edit your camera, your this register, you can everything. It's a nice feature, and I invite all of us to check it out.